here's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
I have these two beautiful rocks and they're kind of shiny and glitzy. Look at that. Oh, just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to take one of these and bust it up. Let's see. I think I'm going to use this one just because the profile on it is a little bit shorter and it won't be quite as bulky inside the garden. So I'm going to go outside, take a hammer to this, and get several pieces so we can spread this out. Alright, I'm going to go do that. I'll be right back. Oh, this piece too. This is amazing. This is so pretty. Alright, I'm going to bust a piece off of this one and some off of this one just because this has more white on it. And this one has like a low profile that'll sit flat like this. So let me go bust these two rocks up and then I'll be back. So I only had to use one rock and I've got plenty to choose from. I've got some big pieces, small pieces, and now to put them in the garden and fill it up with sand. While I'm scaping this, I'm going to be using the rake kind of as a guide. Like I want the edges, I want the rake to be able to get around all four sides cleanly, or as cleanly as possible. If not, then I probably need to make a smaller rake. What do you guys think of my little rake? Oh, bless his little heart. Hey y'all, look, it's not pretty or perfect, now is it? We don't do that around here. No, we do not do that. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm really loving this piece because it's nice and flat. So, you know what? I think to raise this up, to raise it up some, I want to go ahead and start putting some sand in here. I'm going to put a layer of sand in first. Y'all, I'm going to be using pool filter sand. And you can use any sand you want. You can use colored sand if you want. And I'm just using this because it has a lighter color and it's going to be a nice contrast against the black rocks. And it's also what I have on hand. Put me a nice base layer here. That way the rock isn't directly on the glass either. And it'll raise it up at the same time. Try and get this as flat as possible. And does it have to be perfect? No, of course not. No way. No way. Okay, there we go. I just don't want my fingerprints in there. There we go. That's flat enough. That looks good. For the most part. I'm just using the back side of the rake. Okay. Now, let's do this. Okay. Now I'm just going to pour some sand all around, backfill this, make it look like it's been there for a very long time. Just partially bury it a little bit. Fill in the indentations that we caused when we pushed it down in there. You know, I'm loving the way this thing looks already. There we go. Now, we make our lines. Let's see, make them this way. And then make ripples like that. I think eventually what I want to do is make a smaller rake that will fit in here in these little smaller areas. But yep, that's the gist of it right there. Yes, definitely want to make a smaller rake. There we go. It's not perfect, but I love the way this looks. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.